NTPC Renewable Energy Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC Green Energy Limited, has signed a green ammonia purchase agreement with Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited to supply green ammonia under the Government of India's flagship National Green Hydrogen Mission. Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, a subsidiary of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, has informed stock exchanges that it has received an order in original from the Office of the Commissioner of Central Excise and Central Tax, Mangaluru, under Regulation 30 of the SEBI Regulations 2015. Railtel Corporation of India Limited has informed stock exchanges that it has received a major work order from the Jharkhand Education Project Council in compliance with Regulation 30 of the SEBI. The company confirmed no promoter or group company interest in the awarding entity. Today is the last day for central government employees, pensioners, and service associations to submit their responses to the 8th Pay Commission 18-point questionnaire. The Commission had earlier set a deadline of March 16, 2026, which was later extended to give more time for wider participation. The Western Coalfields Limited has achieved a major production milestone in its Umrar area, successfully reaching 2 million tons of coal production under the FMC project. This achievement reflects strong leadership, seamless coordination, and the collective dedication of teams working across the project. In a significant step towards strengthening India's strategic mineral security, Oil India Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the CSIR Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, Bhubaneswar. The agreement, inked on March 30, 2026, aims to pursue collaborative research and development projects in the critical minerals sector. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the District Administration Bhadrak to strengthen educational infrastructure across the Dhamnagar constituency in Orissa. Under the CSR initiative, MCL will invest 5.10 crore rupees to transform 50 primary schools by upgrading facilities and creating improved learning environments. Southeastern Coalfields Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Gayatri Seva Sansthan to implement an integrated water conservation and soil health revival project in the Masturi and Belha blocks of Bilaspur district under its Corporate Social Responsibility Program. Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, a subsidiary of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, has officially confirmed the disbursement of its interim dividend to eligible shareholders. MRPL informed the exchanges that the interim dividend of 4 rupees per equity share was paid out on March 24, 2026. India has taken another major step towards strengthening its indigenous defense ecosystem as the Ministry of Defense signed a capital acquisition contract worth approximately 1,950 crore rupees with Bharat Electronics Limited for the procurement of 2 advanced mountain radars for the Indian Air Force.